See, now we've gotten to the point in the night where I don't know which beer is mine.
Drinking both, and go get me a new one, baby.
I go with the one that has more.
Do you know when you're doing a face and you think you know what it looks like, and then later you do the face in the mirror, you're like, that's not what I thought it was at all. Like this one? That was supposed to be my sexy face. Maybe it should be this.
Oh, that's better. That's better. Oh, yeah.
Tick tock, trick or treat, fucking wear a smock or a poncho. I'm the head honcho. I'm the one who's the drug dealer here. If anyone's here, feeling me, you better fear. Cause I got guns and I got money. And you know when I'm with women, I make those bitches wet, honey.
What would you say is your source of inspiration for your music?
The source of inspiration?
For your music. Do you have a muse? I mean, do you go to sleep and wake up, hey, I have a song idea, let's do it? I mean, you know.
It depends how happy I am. You know.
Weird. It usually depends how sad I am.
And how, well, it depends how sad I am too. But,
Alright.
definitely about the emotion of the day.
Anything you want to say to the kids in intraweb land?
Just keep jamming, don't give up.
Don't do drugs. Stay in school.
Experiment with life, take life.
Do drugs in school. Cool. Nothing on your breakdancing.
I mean, that's pretty obvious, right?
Instrument, I'm fucking photography. Crazy motherfucker, you wanna be me. But don't you see that I'm only one? That's me, and I'm having some fun up in the Chi-Town, from the country to the city.